my second YouTube video in 1 week. Y'all have been asking me for longer videos for the longest, and today I'm gonna give you what you want and what you need, okay? So if you're new here, hey girl, hey. My name is Aisha, and you might know me from thrifting. I used to be a hairstylist, which the first 20,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel came from me solely doing hair. And I will still be doing hair on this channel, y'all. Don't get comfortable with just thrifting, baby. I'm here to do it all, okay? I'm just very proud of me because I actually sat down, turned my camera sideways, and started to record a real YouTube video for y'all. I said, who's that looking in my damn apartment? Because you know I will tussle, okay? What was I saying? So today what I'm really focusing on is just styling the thrifted pieces that I found this past Sunday with my sister. I really only bought 5 pieces, y'all. 5. This is so not normal for me because I'm always leaving the thrift store with at least 20 items, y'all. I will go in there and leave out looking like Santa Claus, okay? Ask about me. This is what I really need for y'all to do to keep me, I need for y'all to hold me accountable. Because I will say, I'm gonna start posting on YouTube and then I'll linger off and I'll forget. So I need y'all to hold me accountable. So since y'all already went on Instagram to go follow me, I need y'all to like drop comments, DM me, whenever y'all miss me on YouTube. Remember what you said, Aisha. Remember you said you was gonna post at least once a week on YouTube. I need y'all to stay on me, okay? If y'all stay on me, baby, the video's gonna, listen, y'all might get 25 days of YouTube. You just never know. I'm about to style these pieces and kind of go into detail on what's my thought process when I'm styling certain pieces. Now, the pieces that I bought are super easy to style. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to style these pieces. These are kind of like basic pieces that can elevate or benefit any wardrobe, really. It's like a belt, a purse, trench coat. I did buy that corset, but I can't fit it. I'm trying to find someone who can. Don't be acting ghetto now that I'm recording. Okay, y'all, so here are the items I got from Goodwill. I'm just going to pull them out of the bag and give you my, reasoning on why I purchased these items. First things first, I know I said I wasn't going to purchase items for other people anymore, but this is bomb. Like, I feel like I need to find the girl who is really going to set this bad boy off. Like, if I asked you guys to drop a comment if you are, let me see the size on this, hold on. It says a 40, I believe that's a D. But yeah, this is a size 40. I feel like this is a piece, okay? You don't even have, you could just put this over like a button down. You could put this underneath a blazer. You could do a whole lot with this. And it's kind of mesh on the side. It has like mesh panels that will really eat the girls up on a Tuesday evening. Definitely bought this. I need more neutral colors, so I definitely bought this top. This short sleeve top is by Vera. I don't know what that says. Vera something. This is the tag. But yeah, I really love the details on this. As you can see, the little, it looks like a seashell button on the back. And it's the same buttons on the front. I feel like my wardrobe has so much color that the neutrals almost don't exist. So this is going to be my entry to the neutral side of my closet. This is really going to take me to new levels. And I feel like I want to do more, I feel like I want to show you guys other parts of my style. Like, everything about me isn't mixed print, thrifted, and chaotic. Sometimes I do like being, cute, cozy, and basic. But even in my basicness, I'm still going to have certain details about my outfit that's just going to be like, it's going to scream Aisha the Great. So yeah, this is just another piece. So if you're ever out thrifting and you see pieces that look plain, but they have like subtle details that's like, oh wow, grab it. Even like, it looks like it has like snake skin. It's like a snake print in there, and it's kind of sheer. So this is really my, this is my style right here, okay? Pay attention to those basic tops that are not so basic. So not so basic basics. This does not have a tag at all. but it does scream vintage. And the reason why I got this is because it is a plain black sweater, but these little details right here can easily make an outfit pop. So if I just put on some trousers, a black skirt, or a printed bottom just to bring out like some of the colors in here, oh baby, play with somebody else, okay? Play with somebody else, because I am not the one. I am not. And then you already know, I told you guys in my previous video that I did not have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, and pink is one of those colors that it can be a girl. It's like kind of, I'm not a girly, I'm girly, but I'm not, I don't fall into the category of what's traditionally girly. So pink, you know, it's cool, but I'm more of a green, blue, and orange type of girl. Like, I mean, pink is cool. It's I add pink to other colors. So like orange and pink is my jam. Green and pink I kind of stay away from because it's kind of like a AKA kind of thing, and that's, you know, I'm not in any sorority, but I will add pink to every other color. These will last you a lifetime. There's no reason why, like, I don't know why I didn't have a plain tan trench coat in my wardrobe already. It's probably because I'm always out buying prints and colors and all these other things. That's why I said I'm adding to my neutral side of my closet, and these are just the beginning. Do y'all see this belt? Like, come on, like, I don't even understand why they donated this to the thrift store. It's the animals for me, baby. I'm gonna call this Noah's Ark, because baby, one thing about it, when that ark pull up, I'm getting on. I cannot wait to style this for y'all. So I'm probably gonna wear this as a waist belt, even though it's supposed to go around, I guess, some jeans or whatnot. I rarely wear belts through my jeans unless they're just kind of like way too big. But oh, this was made in 1992. Oh wow. I don't know if y'all can see, but it says 1990. It says 1992 right there. Year after I was born, because I'm a 91 baby, and this is so nostalgic. I love this. Wow. Can y'all drop some of your favorite shows below? I just want to see if my people are in the comments, because my type of shows are like, I'm currently rewatching Game of Thrones, because you know how you could watch a series but not really like pay attention to certain episodes, so you got to rewatch the whole thing. There's always something that you might have missed the first time, so always rewatch your favorite shows. If I don't feel like doing my hair, or I'm just having a complete bad hair day, I have no problem throwing on a baseball cap. So the first look that I am going to style, it's going to kind of be chill, but still a big deal. We are going to do a hoodie, some plaid pants, some New Balances, a baseball cap, and a cute purse.
I'm too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Feed you diamonds and pearls. Ooh baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I paid them all in dust. I'm stingy with my love. Ooh baby, I'm stingy with my ooh, baby.
As for the vintage sweater, y'all already know. When it comes to vintage sweaters, I love to pair vintage printed tops or anything with some type of color with a black and white bottom. I feel like that just gives me ultimate mixed print, color pop vibes. I don't know, it gives me more of a retro vibes.
I'm stingy with my love.
That's why I always gear towards pairing colorful tops or anything with any type of color in it with a black and white bottom. You can always count on me to add black and white to a pop of color. Now, as for the belt, y'all already know that I prefer to twist the belt all the way around so that the animals are facing towards the front. The belt is really the statement at this point. Like, you can really put this belt around a blazer, around the trench coat, over a dress. There's so many different ways you can wear this belt. This belt is really just the cherry on top of a sundae.
Just reaching out to the solar system, we flying over, bullshit, we flying over, supernatural love up in the air.
The not so basic is really my vibe. Like today I just really wanted to do something very simple just to get it through the door. So it's really all in how you accessorize your basics. Like you definitely want to be able to do more with your basics, so it's important not to just buy a lot of basics that's printed or that's just, you know, only want to go with one or two items.
Just took my shit Casanova, superstar supernova, power pull him in closer, dash him in the why he over here.
We have come to the end of our video for today, y'all. But if you would like longer videos than this, then I got you. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know which look was your favorite, and I'll be sure to post more frequently on YouTube. Also, if you have not already, make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram at Aisha the Great, and also Thrift and Tell. On my personal page, Aisha the Great, I post all things me, and on Thrift and Tell, you can look for all things thrifted, sustainable style, and all. See y'all next time. Bye.